Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, the super note that redefines flagship experience. A new benchmark in smartphone innovation. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G emerges as the most advanced Redmi Note ever, redefining what users can expect from a mid-premium device. Priced at 29,999 rupees, this super note is more than just a phone. It's a complete package that brings together powerful AI features, flagship-level camera capabilities, next-gen performance, and robust design, making it an unbeatable value proposition. Design that reflects precision and style. Inspired by Xiaomi's Alive design language, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus features a seamless symmetrical design with an elegant central camera deco surrounded by a diamond-cut metallic ring. The dual-sided Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 body delivers premium durability, with a TÜV SÜD 5-star certification for drop and scratch resistance. Its IP68 rating ensures water and dust protection, ready to endure whatever life throws at it. Flagship-grade photography at your fingertips. Photography gets a massive leap with the 50MP Light Hunter 800 sensor, delivering stellar results in any lighting condition. With a wide f/1.6 aperture, WAH, optical image stabilization, and 13.2 EV dynamic range, every shot captures incredible detail and depth. Additionally, for the first time in a Redmi Note, you get a dedicated 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, perfect for portraits. The triple camera setup also includes an 8MP ultra-wide lens, while AI tools like AI Erase Pro and Image Expansion bring professional editing features to your fingertips. Smarter with built-in Gemini AI. The Super Note is supercharged with Gemini AI, built directly into the system for seamless productivity. Features like AI subtitles, Live Interpreter, AI translation, and Smart Clip help you work, travel, and communicate effortlessly across languages and cultures. With AI cutout and circle to search, creativity knows no bounds. Whether editing photos, translating text, or generating captions, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus makes it simple and smart. Display that dazzles. Experience ultra-vivid visuals on the 16.94 cm, 6.67, 1.5K AMOLED display with a pixel density of 446 ppi, 68 billion plus colors, and Dolby Vision support. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, 120 Hz refresh rate, and ultra-thin bezels, content looks stunning in every scenario. Features like TÜV Triple Eye protection, 1920 Hz PWM dimming, and 2560 Hz instantaneous touch sampling ensure both comfort and responsiveness. Performance that powers ahead. At the core of this powerhouse is the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, built on the ultra-efficient 4nm TSMC process, ensuring exceptional performance and energy efficiency. Paired with up to 12GB RAM and an expansive 5000 square mm VC cooling system, the device remains cool and responsive under heavy use. The newly introduced T1 Signal chip boosts GPS and cellular performance for reliable connectivity, while HyperOS enhances inter-device synergy for a smooth ecosystem experience. All-day power with Hyper Charge. Backed by the segment's largest 6200 mAh silicon carbon battery, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus offers extended battery life with up to 40% improvement over its predecessor. Thanks to 90 watts hypercharge, a full day's power is just minutes away, ensuring you're never left waiting. The verdict: premium experience at an unmatched price. With features typically reserved for premium flagships, like AI-powered tools, flagship-grade cameras, 1.5K AMOLED display, Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, and IP68 durability, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is a standout performer. Xiaomi has successfully blurred the lines between mid-range and premium, offering a device that's powerful, elegant, and intelligently designed. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a content creator, or someone who values long-lasting performance and cutting-edge design, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is built to deliver more than expected. Truly, this super note sets a new benchmark in smartphone excellence.